let's suppose your backup is started at 00 and your backup is finished at next day 4 p.m. Correct, on a daily basis. Now sometime what happened, your backup is started at this, and at 8 a.m. the business is started. Correct, the user is showing, oh boss, your backup is running, and we are impacting our application. Can you stop your
Mhm.
backup? Correct,
No.
right? Actually, it reaches to the like the business hour. It reaches to the business hour, and it impacting the application because the backup is running, right? So, and user is also start using that application. So the thing is, the user is complaining, my application is impacting or the server utilization is goes high. Can you stop the backup or cancel the backup? So you have the two option. Either you cancel the backup, right? But once you cancel the backup, then next day it will start from scratch, right? And again, it's require this time. It will finish at 4 p.m.
Is
Right?
it is
So
it
this,
is it is it automatic? The next day is it going to start by its own, or you have to initiate it before it starts?
okay, just try to understand in this way. This backup size is 100 GB, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And in every hour, it is writing a 20 GB, correct? From 00 to 4, it written a 20 GB, then it written a 20 GB, and 8 a.m. in the morning, user is showing just cancel this backup. So once you cancel the backup, then next day it will be again started from here. It will be again writing a 20 GB, then 20 GB, then 20 GB. Correct? Yes or no,
Okay.
Ali? Actually, this backup is cancelled now, and you have to
Yeah,
restart the
yeah.
backup, right? Then once you restart the backup, it will be picking the data from here. Correct? Guys, yes or no?
Okay.
If you are not understanding, just
Okay.
Yes,
say
yes.
no. Just not understanding,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
say no. Right? No issues. But at least say yes or no.
Okay. Ali, please. Sorry, I said Ali. Praveen. So, my question was, if the next day the backup is going to start, um, so it means it's going to start from 00. It's not going to continue for where it stopped. That's the 8 o'clock. It's going to start from 00, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, okay. So just tell me one thing. Your one backup is running and it get failed, right? You
Mm-hmm.
restarted the backup, then it will be started from like it will be start picking the data from scratch or from the starting. Starting, I mean, let's suppose you are taking the backup of the C drive. C drive is
Mm-hmm.
50 GB and this backup is running. It written a 30 GB data and it got failed, right? It got failed
Mm-hmm.
after writing the data of 30 GB. So once you restart it, it will be writing the data from the 00. 0 means from the 0 GB. Then the 10 GB, it will be written 10 GB, then 20 GB, then 30 GB. It will be not started from here. It will be starting from, it will be start, it will, so this is the fresh backup. This is the fresh backup. It will be start as a fresh backup. No, still confused, huh?
No, I'm clear, sir.
Peter?
Yeah, I'm also clear.
Okay, right. So this checkpoint feature, if you enable this checkpoint feature, right, and then you got a one option if the user is complaining. So rather than canceling this backup, you can suspend this backup,
Mhm.
right? If in
Mhm.
policy this checkpoint is enabled, then you can suspend the backup, then your backup will be stopped at this point. And in the night, once you resume it, it will be picking the data from here only, the next 20 GB. It will be not picking the initial 20 GB. This one. This already taken the 40 GB, it will be start from here. So you save
Okay.
this 8 hours.
So it will
Correct.
start copying only the which was the left, right?
Which was the left.
Okay.
Right. So this
Okay.
left will be depend on this. Right. In the checkpoint, you are defining the minutes. Right. If you see in the checkpoint, there was a 180 minute.
Okay,
If
one
you
thing,
are
uh, Parveen sir,
Mhm.
in case the l- last data will also be changed, the application will start writing data again, and which also needs to be backed up.
On the server side, you are saying on the server side that
Yeah,
might
yeah,
be
on
the some
server.
file. Yeah, actually it will be recalculated. In that there is a no issue. It will be, but the thing is, it will be started. Actually, that data is already backed up. It will not like it will not taking that one. It will,
Okay,
right. It's not necessary na, like in 40 GB entire 40 GB data has been changed. It might be 2 GB or 3 GB data only changed.
few of the GBs will be changed.
Right, few of the GB of the data is changed. So it will pick that one, right? But it will be started from there only, from from
From where it
uh,
left.
from from where it create the checkpoint, from
Okay,
where it
from where
create the
it
checkpoint,
create
and checkpoint will
checkpoint.
be defining where you are defining your minutes. Let me show you 1 second. Let me stop the recording. Let's go.